Shopify announces the new Linkpop link tool, the real story. Hey guys, Shopify has done it again. They've come out with something different called Linkpop. So in this video, what I'd like to do is explain to you what it is, if you could use it, and if it's really worthwhile. And we're starting right now. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Click that subscribe button down there, turn it from red to gray. Don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or if I upload a video. Now Shopify has entered the link in bio marketplace with their new tool Linkpop. I want to tell you all about it. It's pretty exciting. The new offering is really aimed at creators and allows them to directly buy products on the Linkpop page. You can also include links to your page, and it allows people using Linkpop to actually purchase right from the Linkpop page without ever having to leave the app. As a merchant, all you need to do is link your page, your products, with Linkpop, and people can actually go there and purchase your product. It also allows you to embed videos, links, and all kinds of other links in there. It also allows you to put links in there for websites, articles, blogs, playlists, and videos. Now it's going to include all types of analytics such as links, click-through rates, all the good stuff that you're going to want to know about. You can also customize parts of the Linkpop page, including colors and fonts. Basically, this all came about because sellers are selling from more and more places. This allows the seller to actually have all those links in one place so that the buyer can actually buy from one spot and never leave the app. Now anyone can use the tool whether they're a Shopify customer or not, but only Shopify users can actually put links in there for purchases. What it allows somebody to do is, before you've actually launched your business, is to build your brand and your audience. So let's go over to the Linkpop page and I'll show you all about it. Okay, so I'm over here at the Linkpop sign up page, and this is by Shopify. You can see here. Now obviously Shopify has come up with this to get people to link to their stores. However, you can set up a free account here, and they give you some information here. Turn your audience into customers through your social bio with Linkpop, a free link in bio tool designed for e-commerce, powered by Shopify's fast and secure checkout. So it's a pretty cool thing. What I'd like to do is kind of go through this a little bit and just take a look at the different parts of it so you can get an idea of what it feels like. So first off, I think this part here is cool. It's linkpop.com/your name. So the sooner you sign up for something here, the better off you are, because those names are going to be going away as soon as people sign up for it. Now you can create a free page with your top links in minutes, and it has products, blogs, favorites, digital wallet, all kinds of stuff in here. I think they get NFTs too, merchandise, and then you actually make your page. It says here, start a free Linkpop page that curates everything you're creating online, highlight important content like your website, blog, playlist, and more from your link in bio. This is where you would click right here if you want to make it. And then they say you can monetize it right here if you take a look at this. It says using Instagram or TikTok to promote your products, turn followers into customers by adding shoppable links to your Linkpop page powered by Shopify checkout. Now this is super important, because you can actually sell products directly in that app, whether it be TikTok or whatever, and not have to leave and go to your webpage. And the more steps you have for somebody to buy something, the less sales you're actually going to make. It says here, new to e-commerce, level up your Linkpop page with a Shopify plan. Of course, they're trying to get you to sign up for Shopify, which, for $9, I mean, the basic one, it's well worth it, guys. It really is. If you get a couple sales a year, you're going to pay for this. And then you share it. They say once your link in bio page is ready, copy and paste your custom URL to Instagram, TikTok, Patreon, or anywhere with a social bio. Linkpop is optimized for lightning fast load times, giving your audience a shoppable experience in seconds. Now this is really cool, because a lot of pages don't load fast, and especially a lot of our websites don't load fast. And if you could use something like this and it was a lot quicker, you're going to get more sales. Now they get down into analyze it right here. Easily track which content or products get the most clicks with Linkpop's free analytics tool. Test performance and learn what sells on any day of the week. So this is really cool. You've also got all these stats here which is very nice. And then they get down to the community of creators using Linkpop. And they have a whole list of people down here and what they're doing. Then they got the frequently asked questions down here. So if you've got any questions, what is Linkpop? What are shoppable links? Can I view my link in bio analytics with Linkpop? Is Linkpop free? How does the link in bio work? Let's just click on that one there real quick. It says a link in bio tool collects all the links under one URL, which is most commonly placed in the bio section of your Instagram or TikTok profile. So if you're on Instagram or TikTok, I highly suggest you get this. I really do. When somebody clicks the link, they'll be able to see all the URLs that you'd like to promote, from your latest product release to your blog to your favorite song of the month. To create your own link in bio with Linkpop, just sign up and then copy and paste your top links like your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, Spotify playlists, websites, blog posts, digital wallet, Shopify store. Oh my gosh, it's all of it. It's all of it. What does link in bio mean? Let's take a look at this one here. Link in bio is a term used by creators, influencers, and brands on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. These sites have short bio sections and don't allow users to include links in the description of individual posts. So when somebody writes link in bio in a post, they're directing you to their profile bio where you can find link to more information outside the platform. So it says here, where can you use link in bio tool? And it's going to list all the places you can use it. Of course, Instagram, TikTok, blah, 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 blah. All of them are right there. And let's see who uses link in bio tools. Let's take a look at this. Anyone trying to build their audience and presence should use a link in bio tool. You'll most commonly see them in the special profiles of creators, influencers, and brands. Any person or business that has more information to share with you outside of their social platform. A link in bio tool gives these users an incredible opportunity to grow their following, reinforce their brand and reputation, and turn visitors into followers, and turn followers into customers. And this is the important part here. This is the thing everybody's asking. Do I have to be a Shopify merchant? No, you don't have to be. However, keep in mind, if you are not a Shopify merchant, you will not be able to use the automatic purchase links. So they can't do that. So you can get started free right here. Okay, let's click on get started free here. And then I'm going to put an email in here. Then I'm going to click sign up for free. Okay, I've created my account. And then I'll just create page right here. Page URL. This is where you can have your own personalized page URL. So I'm going to fill all that in, and I'll just put to be written, and I'll create my profile right here. So I've got one now for J.R. Fisher. You can see it here at the top. This is my Linkpop, and that's pretty cool. That's really all there is to it. So I've got one here now that has my name, and that's really all there is to it. So I would highly suggest, if you're trying to sell anything online, you want to sign up for Linkpop, and you want to do it as quickly as you possibly can. Reason being is all these names are going to certainly be gone at some point. All you got to do is click that sign up free, and I'm going to do one other page while I'm here. Okay, and I'm going to sign up for my other one right here. Okay, so I'm going to create a page for Survivalcave food now. And I'll just put Survivalcave food. And I'll be to be written. Okay, so I've created one for J.R. Fisher and Survivalcave food, and it's actually that easy. You got to do this. Hey guys, I got to tell you, there's so many new cool things coming out, and there's a lot of competition out there now. Let's face it, there's a lot of people selling online. That shouldn't scare you. All it should do is make you stay on top of things. If there's a lot of competition, that means a lot of sales are going down. You don't want to miss out on them. So when a new product like this comes out, if you're a TikTok or Instagram user, you're going to want to implement something like this, especially if you have a Shopify store, because you can integrate it. They can stay in the app and actually start clicking and buying your products without having to go somewhere else. And a lot of people don't want to leave these platforms. So that's why it's so darn helpful to have a tool like this, and it's absolutely free. Why wouldn't you use it? Now this goes into, I guess, a general overview of Linkpop, but I think you can see it's very, very useful. My wife uses Linktree. That's another one of their products they have, where you can put all your links in one place, so they can go to one place and see all your links, which is kind of similar to this, but you can actually buy in Linkpop, which I really like that idea a lot. I hope this has helped you out. I hope you have a better understanding of what Linkpop is. If you have more questions about it, please put it in the comments section below. Feel free to ask me any questions you want about starting, running, and growing your online business. I do have a free course down there. It's absolutely free. All you have to do is click and learn. No credit card required. Also, I highly recommend you using Kartra for all your marketing online, your emails, your sales pages, your pop-up windows, all that good stuff. Use Kartra. I'm telling you, it's a great program. I have a link below for Kartra. If you click the link, you can watch a free video. It doesn't cost you anything. It'll explain it to you, and if you like it, I know you will. Okay, you can actually get a trial for only $1, so check that out too. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit the subscribe button below, turn it from red to gray, and don't forget, ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every single time I go live, so you don't miss anything. You don't miss any uploaded videos, you don't miss any live videos. Guys, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm. And I will show you a picture of a cute kitten right there. See that? Isn't that cute? That was worth it, right? Give me a thumbs up. Guys, thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.